Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to use the Files app on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Files app, then unlock your iPhone, then find and tap the Files app. And after that, at the bottom of the screen, tap Browse. Then, you'll see location, which may include iCloud Drive on my iPhone and third-party apps. Then tap a location to view its contacts. Then tap folder to go deeper or tap a file to open it. Then swipe down and the screen to access the search bar to quickly find file. Then next is organize your file. Create a folder, move files to your name, and or delete files. Then share files. Tap and hold the file you want to share, then tap share and choose from AirDrop, mail, messages, or third-party apps. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.